Good morning, student. Let's pledge. I summon commit to be vigilant and bear in mind at all times the risks to myself and my colleagues from COVID-19. I promise to take all necessary precautions that prevent the spread of this deadly virus. I promise to follow and grace others to follow the key COVID appropriate behavior. To always wear a mask, face cover, especially when in public places. To maintain a minimum distance of 6 feet from others, to wash my hands frequently and thoroughly with soap and water. Together we will win this fight against COVID-19. Chapter 1, Memory and Storage Devices. Okay student, last time we have read about data and information. Data is just a collected fact and figure, and information is collected from the data. And we have read about memory of computer. Computer memory is divided into two parts, primary memory and secondary memory. We have read primary memory is of two types, read-only memory and random access memory. Okay. We have read about ROM, that is used to read the data, RAM, that is used to read and write the data by the CPU. Now, we also have read about difference between ROM and RAM. Okay, I hope you have learned this difference. And next, data storage unit. Data storage unit is very important to measurement data stored in the storage device. And this chart provides us the information how to measure data in your storage devices. Now we will read about some storage devices. Open page number 12. Storage devices. Okay, but whatever we do in our computer and we saved our work, file, folder or any software, computer need to store, and to store computer need storage devices. Okay, there are so many storage devices. Firstly, see hard disk. Hard disk is present inside the CPU. Look, this is the hard disk which is fitted inside the CPU. We can also add this externally to computer as we wish. If we have to store lot more data or we have to increase the capacity to store data in hard disk, and it is an external storage devices which is fitted inside the CPU. Okay, and the storage capacity of hard disk, range from 250 GB to 3 terabyte. 250 GB to 3 TB. It is a very large amount of data or storage capacity. Okay. Next is compact disc. But you have seen this type of CD at your home. Okay, you must have seen this type of CD in any place, home or shops. Okay, so the storage capacity of CD is about 700 MB of data. It stores very less data, like a music, 2 or 3 music files, or one, we can't say one movie because this time movie's length is so big, है ना? तो हम इसमें बहुत ही 700 MB तक डाटा स्टोर कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, इससे ज़्यादा आप स्टोर करोगे तो ये आपका डाटा लॉस हो सकता है. ठीक है ना, कि यह करप्ट हो सकता है. अब नाउ सी, same as CD, another device, storage device, which name as DVD, digital versatile disc, in short DVD, compact disc, in short CD, digital versatile disc, in short DVD. It looks similar, है ना, दोनों दिखने में सेम है, but the difference is DVD store more data than the CD. The storage capacity of DVD is up to 4.7 GB, है ना. CD 700 MB स्टोर करता है, जहाँ पे DVD 4.7 GB स्टोर करता है. देखो स्टोरेज कैपेसिटी डिफरेंट होगी ना, बिकॉज हमने पढ़ा था ना कि MB से ज़्यादा होता है ना GB. लुक 1 MB 1024 MB इज इक्वल टू 1 GB, है ना. तो बहुत दिस इज मच मोर डिफरेंस, है ना. नाउ सी अनदर डिस्क which is also similar like CD or DVD, but the storage capacity is different. The Blu-ray disc, it is called Blu-ray disc, has higher data capacity than a DVD. It can hold up to 25 GB of data, है ना, and it store high quality video and audio. A Blu-ray disc uses a blue violet laser to read and write the data. So Blu-ray disc store 25 GB. ठीक है. Next is pen drive. You have seen pen drive. It is a very compact storage device. बिल्कुल छोटा सा, है ना. CD और DVD से भी ज़्यादा छोटा होता है. इसको आप अपने पॉकेट में रख सकते हो, हाथ में लेकर इधर उधर घूम भी सकते हो, मतलब इतना छोटा होता है ये, ठीक है ना. बट द स्टोरेज कैपेसिटी इज मोर. सी इट इज नोन एज पेन ड्राइव, है ना, और USB फ्लैश ड्राइव. वी कैन से इट USB फ्लैश ड्राइव और पेन ड्राइव, है ना. Is a small and compact storage device and store data from 4 GB to 512 GB. 4 GB to 512 GB, which is more than Blu-ray disc, DVD or CD, है ना. Okay, now another storage device is memory card. You have seen memory card. It is found in a digital camera, MP3 players, cell phones or mobile phones, and video games consoles, है ना. This is a very small chip like, okay. And the storage capacity of memory card from 2 GB to 512 GB, है ना, which is just similar like pen drive or memory card. They both store equivalent data, okay. Now I think you haven't listened about cloud storage. We will read about cloud storage, okay. The internal and external storage device of your computer have a specific amount of space, है ना. आपके जो भी इंटरनल और एक्सटर्नल स्टोरेज हैं आपके कंप्यूटर के या मोबाइल्स के, ठीक है ना, उसमें स्पेसिफिक अमाउंट ऑफ स्पेस है कि मतलब आपको पता है कि आपके पास इतना स्पेस है, लेकिन उसकी उससे ज़्यादा स्पेस आपको चाहिए या फिर कुछ आपने स्टोर करना है. यू मस्ट हैव टू स्टोर बट यू कांट इन योर फोन और कंप्यूटर. देन द क्लाउड स्टोरेज विल हेल्प यू. हाउ इट इज हेल्प यू? इट इज स्पेस प्रोवाइडेड बाय इंटरनेट. In the data stored in cloud storage online, है ना, you can access data stored in cloud storage anytime online, okay, only online not offline, ठीक है. Storage space of a device is filled up and you cannot add any more data on it. This is where you can use cloud storage. Cloud is an online storage space for data. This is the important line. You can underline it. You can upload your data on the cloud without using the computer's memory. ओके, कंप्यूटर्स मेमोरी में अगर आपने स्टोर नहीं करना है तो आप क्लाउड में स्टोर कर सकते हो ऑनलाइन। अगर आप फ़ोन में इंटरनेट है तो वो सारा क्लाउड में स्टोर रहेगा और जब कभी भी आप चाहो ऑनलाइन आप इस डाटा को एक्सेस कर सकते हो टू योर फोन और टू योर कंप्यूटर। ओके, यू कैन अपलोड योर डाटा on the cloud without using computer's memory. The cloud saves your data on the internet and you can access it anytime. Okay, cloud saves your data on the internet and you can access it anytime. You can use it anytime whenever you are online. Okay. It is not any device, it is just space provided by the internet, the cloud storage. Okay, next page. See, here we will learn about the storage devices, when to discover and when to implement. Okay, it is very older. These are the very older storage devices you see. Okay, so first of all, the magnetic tab. The magnetic tab made up of thin narrow plastic film. Okay, and invented by Fritz Fleumer in 1928 or implemented in 1920s में ये यूज किया जाता था। ठीक है, उसके बाद आया मैग्नेटिक ड्रम। सी दिस राउंड ड्रम इज यूज्ड फॉर स्टोरिंग डाटा, इन्वेंटेड बाय गस्टव दशेक इन ऑस्ट्रिया। ओके, इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ मेटल सिलेंडर दैट वाज यूज्ड टू स्टोर डाटा प्रोग्राम। जब उसमें डाटा स्टोर होना शुरू होता है ना, इट मूव राउंड एंड स्टोरिंग डाटा इन इटसेल्फ। ओके, द मैग्नेटिक ड्रम 1930s में मैग्नेटिक ड्रम यूज होता था। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट आया इन 1950 हार्ड डिस्क ड्राइव एंड इट इज स्टिल इन यूज। हार्ड डिस्क ड्राइव एंड इट इज इंट्रोड्यूस्ड बाय IBM 1956, है ना, इट इज इंट्रोड्यूस्ड बाय IBM। Next is cassette. You will see, you have seen cassette, but it is very older device. But if some of you may have seen it or may not, okay. Cassettes also use this plastic film rolling over side, है ना, इन्वेंटेड बाय फिलिप्स इन 1963। ठीक है, और उसके बाद आया हमारा फ्लॉपी डिस्क। फ्लॉपी डिस्क इज रेक्टेंगुलर एरिया, है ना, इट इज इन रेक्टेंगुलर शेप, फ्लॉपी डिस्क। ओके, एंड रेक्टेंगुलर इन शेप, इंट्रोड्यूस्ड इन 1970s, इन्वेंटेड बाय IBM इंजीनियर्स। ठीक है ना, फ्लॉपी डिस्क और ये सारे डिवाइस अब आपको देखने को नहीं मिलेंगे क्योंकि ये अब बहुत ही पुराने हो गए हैं, है ना, और दीज आर नॉट इन यूज नाउ डेज। इट इज वेरी ओल्डर स्टोरेज डिवाइस। सी, इन 1980s कॉम्पैक्ट डिस्क, इन्वेंटेड इन द लेट 1960s बाय जेम्स रशल, है ना। सी compact disc, you still see compact disc in market, है ना। Okay, next in 1990s digital versatile disc DVD, which is invented and developed by Panasonic, Philips, Sony and Toshiba. This DVD is also in use nowadays, है ना। Next is pen drive, 2001 to 10. Pen drive and Blu-ray disc are came in market, है ना, and used flash memory which was invented in the early 1980s by Musuka Fuzzy. Now we have read about the storage capacity, both of this, and nowadays the cloud storage is very popular. Nowadays cloud storage is very popular, which we have discussed earlier. Thus we have completed this chapter, and now these are the exercise you have to find out by yourself, okay, and later on I will help you to correct these, okay student. So today's work is over. We will read next chapter next day. Bye.